Hi students, welcome to plus 2 computer class. So we are discussing about MySQL commands, a new programming language SQL. So in the previous video we already seen how we are inserting values into the table and also how we are viewing the structure of a table. So the command that we are using is DESC or describe for inserting insert into command, and also we discussed how we are retrieving values or informations from a table using select command. Okay, so we studied how we are retrieving values using select command, extracting row and also column separately. Then we are continuing the same select command. So in this video we are going to discuss how we are eliminating duplicate values in column using distinct keyword, and also selecting specific rows using where clause. Only these two topics we are going to discuss. In SQL or MySQL, the majority of all the commands must contain select, because after creating the table we are inserting some of the values. For our practical, you want to create one table and after that you want to insert 5 rows into the table. So 5 insert into commands you want to use for inserting values into the table. Then after that you want to display value according to the conditions. The conditions will be given in the question itself. Then according to that condition you want to copy values. So before that we will discuss, before that I am going to draw one table that contains 5 rows. Okay, first one, admission number. Then name of the student. Okay, so the same table I am using, gender, then date of birth, course, then F income. So exactly the same table that we saw in the previous video. So first one, 1001 Alok, male, 1998 10 2. Science, 24,000. First row. Second row, 1002 Nikki, male, then 1998. Okay, full date of birth I am not going to write. Science, 35,000. Second row. Then third row, 1003 Bharat, then male, 1999 11 1126, then commerce, F income, 45,000. Okay, then next one, 1004 Virat, M, 1998 815 science, family income 22,000. Then next one, 1005 Meera, female, 1998 98 815. Again science, family income is not given, that's why it is null value. Then 1006 Divagar, then male, 98 to 21. Then science, null value. Then one more row, 1007, Nivedita, female, 9099, 3, 4, humanities, family income 52,000. Okay, the entire table I am not going to draw. So here I am going to draw some rows or some tuples that contain some of the values. So in your textbook the entire table is present. So we already studied how we are using select command for selecting the entire table and also for selecting the column names. So we can mention the column names and according to that we can retrieve value from the column. So here there is one table is given. What is the table name? Student table. Then it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows or 7 tuples. Then what is our first topic? Eliminating duplicate values in columns using distinct. Which keyword we are using? Distinct. Distinct values is used for removing or eliminating the duplicate value. So in this table, in which column duplicate values present? In the course column, because science is repeating commerce and also humanities. Different section is present but science is repeating. In one of the two or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times science is repeating. Suppose you want to find out the number of courses in the student table. Then how we will write? Select distinct course. Select distinct course. From which table? From student. From which table? From student table. So what is the command? Select distinct course from student. Then what will be the value? In course column, the duplicates values will eliminate and we will get 3 values. Which are the values? Science, commerce and humanities. Okay, science, commerce and humanities. By this we are eliminating the same values or duplicate values. So in this course column science is repeating 4 times. So we can avoid and we will get the name. That means the commonly present column names. So for eliminating duplicate values we are using distinct. Then in select command we are using a special clause called where clause. Okay, special clause that is known as where. Where means we can select values from the table but according to the condition. Okay, according to the condition. If any of the select command, when we are including condition, you want to use where clause. Where clause is very, very important. So according to that, we can write the where. Then all the relational operation like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to, all the relational operations we can use in select command. Equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not. That means all the 3 logical operations, and, or, not. All these we can use with where clause. Clear? All these we can use with where clause. So I am going to write one select command that consists of where clause. The question is that I want to select the students where gender is equal to F. Okay, what is the condition? Gender is equal to F. So I can write like this. Select, if the column name is not mentioned, then we can use star. Select star from student where, what is the condition? What is our condition? Where gender is equal to F. Gender equal to F. Select star from student where gender equal to F. Then what will be the result? We will get the row 1005, Meera, female, 98, date of birth. This tuple we will get as the answer. So this is for specifying one condition. In this condition, we are not using any of the relational operator. Here it is assignment operator. Then next condition is you want to select the student, their course is equal to science and family income less than 25,000. Okay, family income, look here, 1004 Virat, male, it's belonging to science batch but family income is less than 24,000. Then next one, Meera and also Divagar, that also present. But it is not here, null value is given, value is not given, so it will not treat. So what will be the result? Definitely Virat will come. Then what about less than 24,000? Equal to is not present, so first row also will come. So we can combine two conditions together. So how we will write? Select star from student. Select star from student. What is the first condition? Where course is equal to science. Where course equal to science. Then one more condition. And F income less than 24,000. Two conditions want to satisfy. What is the first condition? Course is equal to science and F income less than 24,000. Then condition based like this, two conditions we can specify. Then one more condition. If you want to select values between two values like where F income between 25,000 and 40,000. Again another condition. Select star from student where F income between 25,000 and 40,000. 25,000 and 40,000. First value will be the second row, third row and also last row will come because all these three rows are satisfying the condition. Okay, clear? Then suppose you want to select all the students in science batch and also commerce batch. Okay, students in science batch and also commerce batch. So we can write like this. Select star from student where course is equal to science and course is equal to commerce. Otherwise, where we can write one more condition where course in commerce, science. Like this. We can write select star from student where course in commerce, science. Then what will happen? We will get all the rows that satisfy the condition whether course is equal to commerce or course is equal to science. Clear? I think it is clear. So any kinds of conditions we can write using where clause. Then so these all are based on value or comparison of value. Next one is pattern matching. Okay, what is that? Next one, pattern matching. Pattern matching means this is applied to the text, especially to the name. For example, suppose we want to select some of the student name started with letter N. Okay, you want to select the student name started with letter N. Then we can write like this. N percentage. Where name equal to percentage of N. Then what will happen? We will get Nivedita and also Nike. Then next one, Suppose you want to display the names that ends with A. Ends with A, just opposite. A percentage of A. Then what will happen? The names that ends with A will come. The next one. Suppose you want to give any of the, for example, here RA is present, Bharat RA is present, Virat also RA is present, then Meera also RA is present. Like that, some conjugate, that means some patterns of character is present. That also we can write like this. Percentage of RA percentage. Okay, that string we can include inside the parenthesis. So one example I will write. One example I can write. Select name from student. Select name from student where name like starting letter should be N. Starting letter should be N. We can write like this. Where name like N. Then what will be the result? Nike 102 and also 107 row will come as a result. Okay, so this is belonging to pattern matching. This is relating to pattern matching. And one more is present. That is, suppose you want to identify the null values. Select star from student. Select star from student where F income equal to null. F income equal to null. F income is null or equal to, here I am not going to write. F income is null. Then what will be the result? Select star from table where F income is equal to null. In this table, 2 rows is having the value null. So as a result, we will get 1005 and also 1006 as a result. Okay, so these are the different types of select commands according to the condition. So all the relational operators we can write, then some other terms like between, in, and, or, not, some other terms along with where clause. For pattern matching we are using where clause with like. Then F income is. Another keyword that we are using is. So many keywords are present in select command. So that also you want to identify. Okay, so hope you understood. We will revise the topic that we studied. What is our first topic? Eliminating values using duplicate values in columns using distinct keyword. Then second one, selecting specific rows using where clause. In where clause, we are specifying the conditions, all the relational operations we can use. Then some special keywords also you can use like between, in, like, is. Okay, so different keywords also present, that also we can use. Okay, so hope you understood. Actually, it is a program section. According to the table, I given the example. Actually, it is easy to learn because normally it is very easy, but when we write it using SQL commands, then it is not easy task. So you want to remember one point. If you want to select the entire table, we are using select star. If it is column name, select column name and then condition. Okay, so hope you understood. The remaining section we will discuss in the next video. Okay, then thank you.